Hey plant lovers, today we're unlocking garlic's hidden power for thriving plants. Garlic isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a powerhouse for your garden. Its sulfur compounds and antifungal properties make it a natural pest, repellent fungicide, and growth booster. Let's dive into how garlic can transform your garden. First, pest control. Plant garlic around your garden to repel aphids, spider mites, and nematodes. It's like a force shield for your plants. Next, garlic's antifungal properties combat powdery, mildew, and root rot, keeping your plants healthy and thriving. But that's not all. Garlic tea or spray can stimulate plant growth and improve yields. It's like a superfood for your plants. Here's a simple hack: blend 3 to 4 cloves of garlic with water, strain, and spray on plants. Your plants will love it. Want more garlic gardening hacks? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more plant tips. Thanks for watching. Next video, 5 indoor plants that purify air fast.